And it's my pleasure to welcome my next guest, Pedram, the Senior Director of Product, Automotive, and IoT at SoundHound AI. Now, we know that SoundHound's voice AI platform helps people connect with brands through personalized conversations. Tell us more.
Sure, I'll be happy to do so, and thanks for having me here. SoundHound AI is a provider of voice and conversational AI. We totally believe that speaking is the most natural way of interacting with devices and services. And we have been the first ones, in fact, to integrate with generative AI to provide a seamless experience for our users. Right now, obviously, we are excited with the explosion around AI, but we're totally focused on solving more real pain points, come up with new use cases. So definitely exciting times.
Okay, well then, can you tell us a bit about the innovations that you're showcasing here at VivaTech?
Right. So we are based in Santa Clara in Silicon Valley, but our footprint is global, both in terms of our offices, but also our customers. So it's important to us to be here at VivaTech and showcase everything to our European audience, to this broad audience here. So it's great to be here. At our demo booth, you will see some of our products, one of which is Dynamic Interaction, our flagship drive-through ordering interface, for the first time to be seen in Europe. It's already being deployed in the United States and North America. The other demo booth you will see is about SoundHound Chat AI, which comes with generative AI integration aimed at automotive and IoT providers. And just recently we announced that we will also have soon an integration with Perplexity to provide also web search and real-time data in that very product.
Well, I'd like to ask you a bit about generative AI that you just mentioned and how SoundHound is integrating generative AI and LLMs into its products. What are we seeing?
Yeah. The first aspect to mention here is that I think right now it's not clear to all businesses that generative AI is not plug and play. It's not just an API you dock into. It requires software engineering, it requires integration, deep integration. It requires, in some industries, like automotive, homologation, certification, meeting requirements. So that's one aspect. The second aspect is that generative AI has actually helped not only unlocking new use cases, but also improving the accuracy. Science fiction and pop culture planted that idea in people's heads since decades ago. Just think of Star Trek, that these kind of conversations with products should be very natural. However, first it didn't work. Now it's working thanks to products from SoundHound AI. So that's the second aspect. And the third aspect is that customer service as a use case is on the rise. This is not crystal balling, it's already happening. We are working with many restaurant chains and other industries in terms of customer service, and that's also where generative AI helps.
So can I ask you then about how SoundHound is positioning itself as a leader in AI, but this for customer service?
Right. So in customer service, we have started out working with restaurants, given that restaurants face labor shortage, so finding and retaining staff, increasing costs, and everything that is process related, they appreciate to outsource, so to say, to AI in order to have more time to be a host. It's the hospitality industry, in fact. So it's working very well and adoption is increasing.
All right, excellent. Well, thank you very much for that, Pedram. It's a pleasure to have you here with us. I do appreciate it here on Tech Newsroom.
Thanks for having me.